If PC, Car Insurance Sweden pricing explained what you get for your money. Car insurance in Sweden can feel confusing, but if PC makes it surprisingly clear. Still, many drivers wonder what exactly are you paying for and is it worth it? Let's break it down so you know what you're getting for your money. The average cost of FPC car insurance in Sweden ranges between 40 and 80 Swedish krona per year for standard coverage. Price depends on your car's value, where you live, your driving record, and how much coverage you choose. Drivers in major cities like Stockholm or Gothenburg usually pay more than those in rural areas due to higher accident rates. It offers three main levels of insurance. First, traffic insurance, which is mandatory by Swedish law. It covers injuries and property damage to others if you're at fault. Without it, you can't even register your car. Next is half insurance or helpförsäkring. This adds coverage for things like theft, fire, glass damage, and roadside assistance. It's a popular choice for cars that are a few years old. Finally, full insurance helpförsäkring offers the best protection. It includes everything from half insurance plus collision coverage, meaning your own car is protected even if you're at fault in an accident. FPC also stand out with optional extras like replacement car coverage, legal assistance, and accident protection for the driver and passengers. The digital tools make it easy to file claims and even track repair progress right from your phone. Here's something most people get wrong. They think all car insurance is the same. But FPC's reputation for fast claims processing and customer support makes a real difference when something actually happens. So, what do you get for your money? Reliable coverage, flexible options, and peace of mind backed by one of Scandinavia's largest insurers. In short, with FPC, you're not just insuring your car, you're buying confidence on every Swedish road you drive.